Hey guys, got a 2022 plate Toyota CHR here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to use the controls on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of the steering wheel. So first, make sure your engine is switched on. And then from here, you want to scroll across, use the right of the steering wheel, press right until you get to the settings menu, and then go to vehicle settings, clicking OK on that. Then pressing again on setup. Now first, make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures. And then once you've done that, pressing the button on set. So just scroll up to set and press set. And hold it down. And then it says completed.